Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. This is my dog Charlie. Today we are going to walk for about 10 minutes in the comfort of your own living space. You don't need any fancy equipment. If you do have a set of light to medium weights, grab those now. I'm going to meet you back here. We're going to get started on our easy walk. Let's go. Come on. All right, my friends, so let's get started right here, right now in our easy walk. I am going to set my watch. Indoor walk, and we're gonna make it happen today. How are you feeling? So glad to have you here. Great to be back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So happy to have you along, be part of your wellness journey. And yeah, so we have 4 basic moves. This is number 1. We are walking in place. And of course, I try to keep things nice and simple, very basic. We're not learning fancy dance moves. Just keep it easy, keep it light. So walk in place. I'll show you the next 3 moves here in a moment. So find a rhythm. Check in with yourself. How are you feeling today? How's your breath? Can you notice your breath? Can you maybe even deepen your breath a little bit here? How's your physical body feel? Can you feel the connection of your feet on the earth? Can you soften through the shoulders, relax them away from the ears? Find a beautiful lift in your spine. Crown of the head reaches a little taller towards the sky. Feel the length of your spine here. And move the body in a healthy way. That's what we try to do every single day. These short little walks are so beneficial, and I just love to record them and be a part of your journey. So thank you so much for pressing play and making that commitment to take a healthy walk with me. You can see Charlie is raring to go. He's so excited about this. Nah, he just loves to be outside. He would actually like to go for an actual walk, which I'll probably take him later here. Check in. How you feeling? If we've not met yet, hi there. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and a wellness professional. And I create videos here online to help you feel more connected in your own body and help you age gracefully. So these videos are for folks at all ages, seasons of life, and just help us improve our balance, our mobility, and our mental health as well. I really love to stress the importance of stress reduction, stress management, and that's what we're doing right now, my friend. Creating a healthy space for yourself to grow and evolve, both physically but also mentally in a healthy way. So thank you. High fives, fist bumps for you, my friends. Great to have you along. I'm going to show you the next 3 moves. Here we go. So the next move, let's take a knee lift. We're gonna lift a knee, your range of motion, not mine, your pace, not mine. So take it at your own pace here. Just see how that feels. Maybe tuck the belly button in a little bit more so belly button draws in towards the spine, feeling that connection, really feeling that length of the spine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return back home to the walk. We always come back here, home base. Walk it out. Blow out that air, check in with your breath. Are you breathing too fast? Check it out. I'll tell you, I'll encourage you to take the talk test. So can you say a 5 to 6 word sentence without getting too winded? And if you do feel too winded, back out, take a drink of water, come back in when you're ready. Nice job. Next move, it's gonna be a kick. We're just gonna kick and kick. Maybe reach opposite hand, get that torso involved, get the upper body involved here. Get right into it today. Challenge yourself. Now, if this is too much for your balance, you might have a wall or a chair close by. Let's make it happen. Make this workout work for you, not the other way around. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, return back home to your walk right here. Walk it out. Keep going. Next move. Last move here. Find some space, use the space you have. It's going to be a side step. So step out and back in, just side to side. Feel that mobility, that flexibility in your hips. Those happy hips woke up. Maybe you sink a little bit lower. We're starting to warm our bodies up in a healthy way. So maybe it feels good to sink the hips down to activate some more muscle. Getting those muscles of independence woke up. And that's your glutes, your backside muscles. These are the muscles we need to just help us with our daily lives. Getting up and down out of a chair, getting up and down off the ground. So important to maintain healthy backside muscles. And you're doing it, my friend. You're making it happen. Here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to your walk right here. Check on our time. We're coming up on 5 minutes, so halfway through already. These workouts go so fast, so much fun. Find your breath. Walk it out. So if you have weights, I'll give you an example. I'd say between 1 to 5 pound hand weights are fine. If you don't have weights, that's okay. If you have like a water bottle, or just don't even use the weights at all. But I do encourage you to keep it light, nothing too strenuous, because we're going to be using our lower body as well as our upper body momentarily. Let's get the upper body involved. We're going to reach up, down, out, and back. Keep that going. Up, down, out, and back. Keep the legs going. Maybe you smile, have some fun here. Can I just say it's a gorgeous day outside? It's about 60 degrees right now. The leaves are starting to change, and we're kind of in the peak season here in West Virginia, and I just love fall. It's my favorite season. So blessed to live here. And yeah, I just have a nice little breeze. The sun is shining. Got my puppy by my side. Can't get much better than this. And of course, you with me for this walk. For 3, 2, 1. Shove, shake it out, let it go. Let's take those side steps. Try this. We're gonna do doubles. So step and step. If you got a furry friend or a little buddy you're working out with, definitely keep an eye on them. We don't want to accidentally kick somebody. And use the space you have. You just have a little bit of space, just do singles. Nice job. For 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Turn to your walk. Gently grab your weights. Start with a bicep curl here. So today, let's have the weights facing the front. We're gonna hug the elbows towards each other. Make sure that the wrists are not loose. So strong wrists, really grip the weights so that, safety is key here. So maintain safety by gripping the weights. We're gonna lift slowly, bring the weights up towards the shoulders, keep the elbows down, hug towards the sides, and then lower it down. If this is too much with the legs, you can stop and just use the weights. Keep it going. Nice job. Check in with your breath. Take your talk test if you need to. And we got 3 more here in your own time. I'm gonna count us out for 3, 2, 3, and 1. Well done. We shake out the elbows a little bit. Keep the weights in hand. Keep that activation here. Nice job. So next move, we're gonna do a lift. So you could do single or doubles. I'm gonna show you what the doubles look like. And just be mindful, don't bring the weight past the shoulder. Yeah, so not higher than the shoulder. That's gonna tell me 2 things. If it goes higher, then you need heavier weights, but also I don't want you to hurt your shoulders. There's a lot of stuff happening in there, and just keep the weights down. So I'm gonna show you this to you. This is a challenging one. Go ahead and lower. Again, gripping the weights. Breathe. Smile. Tell yourself, remind yourself, you were made to do hard things, right? We love to challenge ourselves. We grow in this way, challenging our mind, our body, and evolving. If this ever gets to be too much, you can just set the weights down. We got 3 more. 2. Last one. Lower it down, shake it out, set the weights to the side. And I'm gonna check on our time. Wow, 9 minutes in. Wow, this goes by so fast. And coming up on half a mile. Great job today. Nice. Take the feet nice and wide here. sink the hips down if that's okay with your knees. We're gonna do a kick back. Here we go, kick it back, kick it back. Just back and forth we go. Nice job. Proud of you today. You made that commitment, you're still with me, you are gonna make this happen. Just a little bit more time left. For 3, 2, and 1, return back home to your walk. Move your body, have some fun. Get those stress hormones reduced, happy hormones boosted, and endorphins to flow through the body. Sometimes I just can't help but smile in these workouts. So much fun, just makes my day, truly. And to have you with me, even better. So thank you. Woo, here we are for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. Well done, my friend. Great job. Great job. Round of applause. We're gonna slow it down. Take the feet wide. Don't skip this cool down, okay? Maybe just walk it out here. Breathe. And then plant the feet evenly onto the earth. Take a big inhale. Sweep your arms high up and overhead. Maybe gaze looks up. And exhale, let it go. 2 more of these. We inhale to rise. Exhale, drop it down. Last time in. Last time out. Nice job. Keep the feet planted. Extend one arm. Go ahead and just pull the fingers back a little bit for a little manual stretch here. Drop the fingers towards the earth. Same thing. A little manual stretch. Breathe. Take that arm across the body, maybe brace it with opposite hand and look over opposite shoulder. Nice job. And then take that arm high to the sky. A big breath in, big breath out. Just fold over to the opposite side. Look up or down, somewhere in the middle. Drop that hand down. Shake it out. Second side, extend the hand. Maybe a little manual stretch, a little pull back with the fingers. Fingertips drop down, stretch it back. Take that arm across the body. Take a look over that opposite shoulder. Send that arm high to the sky, a big full breath in, big full breath out, fold over. Look up or down. Drop that hand down, let it go. This time interlace the hands behind the back, pull the elbows down, maybe lift the heart open, look up, check in with the back of the neck here. Find a breath or 2 here. Nice job, shake that out, let it go. That was your 10-minute walk for the day. If you need more, you know I got your back. I got lots more videos. I have 5, 10, and 20-minute, maybe even 30-minute videos on here. Please check them out. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please tell all your friends. Move your body in a healthy way. You're gonna feel so much better every single day. If you've not done so, please head to my website. It's emilydaugherty.com. Grab your ultimate guide to heart, healthy living, and stress management. It's a little book I wrote for you to help you get started on your wellness journey. All right, my friend, Charlie says he's ready for a nap. I'm ready for a shower. I will see you again in a few days. Thanks so much for being here. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.